much as I've been trying to say, as much as I appear okay, been holding on, pretending like nothing's wrong. There's many things I wanna see, but first of all I gotta see me, 'cause I can't breathe. Now that we're over, life's getting colder, trying so hard to feel the sun. Situated in my bed, pictures running through my head. Some are good, some wish I never took. No, no, the probability of me feeling down and lonely, I'm no longer scared. Now that we're over, life's getting colder, trying so hard to feel the sun. Can I begin to relive my life? Hope is gone, I'm starting at the ending and I'll just move on.